Hi everyone, give me 4 minutes, and I will tell you how to make the best thumbnail for YouTube videos. First, open the Chrome browser. Type in search box, PixArt, and open the first link. Log in with your Gmail account, and once you're in, you'll see the PixArt interface. On the left side, go to the Layout options, where you'll find a lot of ratio sizes. Select the 16:9 ratio, as it's perfect for YouTube. After that, go to the Photos section, search for background images, and select one you like. Which is you like most, and I'm going to choose this one. It's look very beautiful. It's perfect for background colors, and adjust the size by dragging and adjusting the corners. In this video, I'm going to create a thumbnail for the WhatsApp bulk message Sender Chrome extension, which I've already uploaded to YouTube. You can check my channel. To add text, click on the text option and type what you want to add. I will send bulk message for thumbnail text. After added text, then we have adjust the text size that is fit perfect to ratio and drag, and adjust it. I will drag left side and adjust size. Then here I will update first letter big letter. I forgot to add, and after that go to set the color option and select the color you like. I'm going to select green color. It looks good, that's why I selected that color. On the right side, click the 3 dots and tap on the edit options. Here, you can choose the text color, stroke size, opacity, shadow, and more. You can also adjust the font size and text style. One important thing I want to tell you is to avoid selecting premium options. Stick to free stock options, as premium features require a payment. That's why I'm advising you not to go for premium options. And next, we're going to add the WhatsApp logo. Go to the left side, select the sticker options, and search for the WhatsApp logo. Choose the one you like and adjust the size, then drag it to the desired position. I will add another text that says just one click. Just one click is simple to interact with the viewers. That's why I add this one and drag and adjust the right positions. Then select the size, color, and here a lot of text style is available. Select which one you like. I will select white color because background is red. That's why I will select the white one. It looks very nice. Next, go to the sticker search box and search for the surprise logo sticker. Drag down, and down here lots of sticker is available. In confusion, which one I want select? Let's find better one. Scroll down and down. I will select a lady sticker, but I think this one is not good. I'm going to delete this one. Go for another one, dragging down. This one is good. I'll select it and drag to right side of the image. And since the man is facing the right side, I'll shift the text from the left side to the right side and use the same sticker. I'll adjust the length and size. It's fit to image, and then I'm going to add one more sticker. That is laptop sticker. I'll select the laptop sticker with a man. He is using laptop. I think this one is nice. I'm going to select this one, drag to adjust the sticker, and in WhatsApp logo, I will send it up, drag to upside middle of the image, then drag the WhatsApp logo fit to the image center, drag to upside. We have to highlight WhatsApp logo to viewers now. It's positioned perfect. After that, go to sticker search box, and after that, I will add another sticker that says free and adjust it. And adjust the position, which positions is perfect. Actual, I made 17 minutes videos is too length, then I will comprise to 4 minutes because I'm not going to take much time. And finally, one arrow sticker is pending. I'll add in red color arrow mark and adjust it from the top to the bottom because I'm going to highlight the free logo now. It looks better now. I think it's enough. It's already video is to length. We're going to see the final thumbnail looks. Go to the top right side and click export to download it to your laptop. Once downloaded, I'll open it to show you the final thumbnail look. Hey guys, your thumbnail is ready. That's it for today. If you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like.